The Breeda Valley local municipality remains one of the hardest hit regions in the Western Cape after devastating floods battered the province. The severe weather has now plunged the municipality into a major water crisis, affecting nearly 120,000 residents in Worcester and Rosenville. Residents say the destruction is unlike anything they've experienced before.
Om nie 'n toilet te kan flush nie is nogals bietjie challenging want die is onhygiënies, nê? En hoekom ons hier is by die dam spesifiek, my suster se Wendy het gewy na die storm en hulle is nou besig om vir 'n sleephuis op te sit. Dis hoekom ons hier is by die dam. Ons het 25 liter water nodig vir die pale sodat hulle kan plant. En om die sement vas te laat maak, nee. As staf is die eerste keer volgens my wat ek lewe wat ek so iets ervaar en is nog as ondraaglik.
Municipal officials say nearly 70 meters of the bulk pipeline feeding water from the dam was washed away during the floods.
One of our key focus areas is to provide water into the reservoir so that people can use water from their taps. It's difficult to provide water tankers and water trucks to 120,000 people. So our key mission has been 24/7 to fix the pipeline as an interim measure. And our first objective was to pump and fix a pump and pump water into the system. We have tested the pump successfully. So by tomorrow morning, the first residents may have water in their taps.
The scale of devastation is visible across farming communities in Rosenville. Nearly 10 homes have either collapsed or remain hanging dangerously on the edge after saturated soil gave way beneath them. For many residents, years of hard work and belongings have been wiped away within days.
My seun gesê, "Mama, abba gaan ons kom bysel die eerste punt." Ek so, en sê nou ek wat wou aan my kind al weet ek nou nie. Want ek kan my so nie vinnig terugdui nie. En ek kom bysel as eerste. En toe ek daar goed kry toe, kom ek uit en sê, "Mama, daar gaan die kamer en die badkamer gaan nog gaan."
After being cut off for nearly 3 days, some communities have begun receiving food relief once roads became accessible again.
Wat van gister af ons at least 'n bietjie kos gebring het na vandag toe, kan ons dan iets weer in ons mag te kry. Baie van ons het nie droë klere nie. Niemand weet eens waartoe om te gaan nie. Ons is maar nou net hier, ons sit maar nou net weer waar ons gesit het. Elke jaar as dit dieselfde, maar hulle wil hê ons moet stem. Hoe kan ons?
Humanitarian aid organizations say the number of affected residents across the province continue to rise as teams gain access to previously isolated areas.
As the weather mop-up operations begin, we are getting a clearer picture of the state of devastation and which areas to move in with immediate humanitarian needs. The city is reporting in the Western Cape alone, in the city of Cape Town alone, 103,000. And with our estimations, working with the different district municipalities, is about 150,000 people affected. Our team just managed to get access into the Greyton area now. And with our reporting from there, it's close to 400 homes alone requiring assistance.
As recovery efforts continue, many residents are now forced to stand in queues simply to access water for their basic daily needs. For Newsroom Africa on Channel 405, I'm Nasipi Same in Rosenville.